So hey guys, in this video I will discuss a question that is find duplicate subtrees. What you need to do is, you can see a tree here, 2, 4, 2, 4 is repeating itself. So what you need to do is creating a list and just write a duplicate element around it. So you can see 2, 4, 2, 4 is repeating. After that 4, 4 is also repeating. So what you need to do is simply write the subtree that is duplicating itself. So here what is written, given the root of a binary tree, written all the duplicate subtrees that I have already told you. After that, what is written, for each kind of duplicate subtrees you only need to return the root node of any one of them. What does it mean is, you can see here 2, 4, 2, 4 is repeating twice. So you have to unlist in the list only one time. Suppose this element here are repeating after 10 times or 3 or 4 times. What you need to do is, you have to only mention in the list one time. After that, you can see what is written, trees are duplicate if they have the same structure with the same node value. What does it mean? Also, they have to create the same value, that is very clear, but you have to be also same in the structure. There is 2, 4 here is coming in the left side, here is coming left. It means they are duplicating. If suppose 2, 4 on the right side of it, it does not mean that they are duplicating. Okay, let's just take the example. See, suppose 3, 2 and 4, and here if I take 1, 2, 4, suppose these are the part of a branches of a tree. You can see here 2, 4, 2, 4 is repeating. It doesn't mean they are the duplicate subtrees. They are not, because 2, 4 here is on the left side, whereas side you can see 2, 4 is coming in the right side. Okay. So now I am creating, let us go 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4 and 4. Okay. Okay. First of all, what I need to do is creating a map. So for map, what will be contain a string, and then after that integer, what will contain the name map equal to new hash map. Hash map. This is our way of writing. After that, what I will do, simply creating a string. Why I am creating a string? Because our output will store in the string. So what will contain? Tree node. Let us suppose I have written a name of that result, res equal to new array list. Okay, so simply here this is the indexing. After that, what I need to do here is simply creating a function helper name. What will be written? Root. After that, return result. Now if I am creating a string or I am creating a function of name public string, it will contain a type of string I am creating. So that's why I mentioned the string. If suppose it contains int or any other, so you have to be write that value. Now public is hint string helper name. What will contain? Tree node name root. Okay, tree node root. So what? So let us start. Simply, first of all, you will see in a string, if it contains the null value, if a string does not occur, you have to return an empty string. If our root is equal to null value, so what you have to do is return an empty string. Okay. Then what you need to do is simply creating a string left equal to contain a helper function. After that, root dot left. After that, string of name string helper right equal to name helper root dot right. After that, why I have written helper function here? Because whenever you have to be write a root dot left value, you can, when you will traverse in the subtree, you will see that left value will changing itself many times. That's why suppose from here, if you will go for 4, the left node is empty, there is null value. For 2, value is 4, so it's changing its value. That's why you have to be do it helper function. You have to be write it helper function. Okay, now creating a string current equal to what will contain, first of all, root dot value plus space is mentioning, then you can also use space comma, it's totally depend on you. Now simply write left plus right. Okay, also mention here the space. So if you will not write a space now, your program will run, because it may create it will simply think that both the roots both the trees are same, but when you will submit it now, you will get an error. Okay, now what I need to do is I simply need to put the values. Okay, for that I have written map.put simply current comma map dot get or default will contain current comma 0 plus 1. So what does it mean? Go. First of all, if I talk about this now, so what we can see, if in a current list, in a string of current, what we see, our element is occurring or not. If not occurring, it will give a default value, that is 0. Okay, or after that what is written map.put. If I talk about whole function, so whole method, what will we do? Check in current. If our element is occurring only one time, so what it will do? Increment its value, whether come 0 or 1, always increment its value. For because the element occurring especially one time, so what will we do? The value would be 1. Okay. Now what I need to do is check if map dot get is current equal to 2, map dot get current equal to, so simply what will we do? Just simply add its value, that is result dot add root. ठीक है, root आ जाएगा. After that just simply return the value of the string. Let's just run it. So you can see here now it just accept. Let's just submit it. Just accept it. Now I'm again telling you what you have to do is simply creating a map. What will contain a string value and integer value. Map equal to new hash map. Okay. Now why I have written list? Because answer will containing a list of type tree node. Because I have to I have to insert the tree key node. Okay. I have created the name res result equal to new array list. After that I have called the helper function here. It will contain the root value. After return the simply result. Because what I need to do is simply returning a list. That's why the name of the list is RE. That's why I have written RES. Now what you need to do is in the helper function root equal to null. What does it mean? If a string is empty, you have to be written as simply an empty string. After that I am creating a left method and I have written right. What it contains root dot left value. Helper function, why I have written helper function? Because again and again the value of the left node will be changing. That's why I have written helper. Simply for right side. After that what I have done is creating a current list in which what will contain root dot value plus left plus right. So you can specially mention, you can see here root dot, I have written root dot value because it contains the value of the right. Here I have written left and right because you can see here what the left is returning root dot left value. That's why I have written simply left. After that what you can say map.put, map.get or default. What does it mean? For this line you can see here that map.get or default, it will check in the current list if occurring on a new value is occurring, so it will give a default value that is 0. And for this whole function whole method you can see it check in the current and check it occurring only one time, so just increment its value, that is plus 1. After it will check if map.get current equal to if the element if the subtree is occurring more than one time, that 2 means more than 1, so simply just add it and you can see that return current, that is our string value. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आएगा. Thank you.